Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am going to be making a mini album using this splash kit that I got from, where did I get it? Tuesday Morning. And I have done a little bit of cutting of some papers, so I have that over here. And I also am going to be using the stickers that came with it. And I'm going to cut out all of these. So you'll see me cut some of these, but I did go ahead and cut several sheets of paper, one for the cover of this and then one for each of the chipboard pages that are in it. And this is a Prima from Frank Garcia Memory Hardware. It's called a short. You can use it as a journal or whatever you want. It's just a chipboard book. So you could make these yourself, and I know that I've done a tutorial on that, and you can find several on YouTube if you're interested, or you can just purchase one, which is what I did for this. And I'm just going to make a little mini album that I'm going to give to my daughter for her trip to Florida. So she's just taking a short little trip, and I thought that this would be a perfect size. It might even be too big, I don't know, for the pictures that she'll take while she's there, but she can fill it up with some other ones too. So I like this book because each page you can see has probably about 1/4 of an inch between it, and the pages are very thick with chipboard. So if you wanted to paint these pages, you could do whatever you wanted to it, because it's made for mixed media or gluing, whatever you choose. But I also like it because the bind, this is really nice in the fact that it is flexible, and it's just a really nicely done book, and that each page is about 1/4 of an inch apart from the other one, so you can put lots of embellishments in it if you choose, and this book wouldn't be, like super thick where it's sticking up like this. Right now you've got lots of room to put some things in it before it gets too oddly shaped. So I think that's pretty neat. So I don't have my embellishments picked out yet really, and I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to make a mini album. It just sounds fun, so I wanted to go ahead and get started. I am going to put you guys on fast forward so that I won't take up your time for that. You can just see me making the album or putting it together. I'm not really making it because the album itself is already made, and I just cut out pages to match. I put one for the cover, and then I have one page cut out for each of these pages, and some of them are designer series paper from the pack, and others are just this plain blue that I got from Craft Creations. It's just the artisan cardstock, which is really nice. So I think I have enough of the two left over here and up here to make the entire album. I think I do. And I used, just so you guys know, this is 12 pages in this, and I have used 6 pages of the Craft Creations, and then I'm just cutting up the kit, whatever came in that. So that's all I'm using, and I might use some white, I don't know, we'll see. But I will definitely take you guys through it when I'm done. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, well that was fun, and I used up the whole sticker sheet. I used every sticker that I could find on there, and then I used a lot of the paper, but I didn't use it all, so I'll have some. I think I'll save it and use it for something. I don't know what yet, but there's half sheets, and there's some blue sheets left, and these are bigger sheets, so I'll save it and see what else I can use it for. It would certainly be able to use it on some cards and such, so there is that. And then here is the album that I came up with. Now, I didn't put a ton of embellishments because I figure that some of the stuff that they do while they're away, they can use some of the receipts and stuff to put inside. So here's the front. It just says Fun in the Sun. I'm kind of thinking it'd be cool to put like a movie ticket or a concert ticket or something right there. And then it just says David and Katie, and then I thought that I'd write where they're going and the dates. And then this says Beach Bum, and it has a cute little flamingo. Oh, and this says Another Day in Paradise. And then this is one of my favorite spreads. I like that. You can put pictures or whatnot. I really like this too. It kind of reminds me of a sunset, or a sunrise, so I just wanted to leave it like that. And this is just a little like holder, and I just put 2 things in here. Actually, you know what I think I'm going to do now that I'm thinking about it? I'm going to put them back to back because this side isn't anything and it kind of looks silly, so yikes. So I'm just going to put them so that they're stuck together. Like that, so it'll just be front and back. Oh, and I like to put it that way with the ball out there, and that says Wet and Wild. You could probably read that. And then here's just a cute page to put some writing on the sun, and then a picture or whatever. And then here's just a little mini like picture book. They can put some pictures in here, some journaling, whichever. And then I think that's cute underneath. So I think it's cute that way, and then it's also cute when you pull it up that way. And then this one says I love swimming, and this one says staying cool, beach, and then there's a little crab. And here is some more picture holders or whatever, and they can write on here. It says I wish I was a fish, and then there's some I'm gonna leave that one plain, and I'm gonna stick these 2 together. A place to write. And I really like that whale paper. And that says just add water. And that says you're a fish. And then I just made this with washi. And then I put the water coming up. And then this is just a little sticker and another sticker that says swimming pool. And then I love the sun. And this one says just add water on that side. And that, so I kind of like that together. And then I think I will put those 2 together. So it'll be a place to write on one side, and then on the other side it just says I love the sun. And this says staying cool in the pool. And then in the back it has this, and I might just put I don't know, made for you by Mama. And that is that. So thanks so much, guys, for coming along. I hope that you guys like it. I think it's fun, and it's a nice place to put some things for them. And hopefully they'll have some great memories to share. And if I think about it, maybe I can do a project share after it's over and show you what it looks like with the pictures in it, if she lets me and if I think about it. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.